Hello, this is question 15 from the Foundation Paper 3 in November 2023. We're told a travel agent sold 100 holidays in April, and each of these holidays was in the UK or abroad. We're told 64 of the 100 holidays were sold to families. The rest of the holidays were sold to couples. And 11 of the 18 holidays abroad were sold to couples. In part A, we're asked to use this information to complete a frequency table. And then in part B, we're told that one of the holidays sold to a family is chosen at random, and we're asked to find the probability that this holiday was not abroad. Pause the video, attempt to answer the question, return to play the video to see the solution and where the marks are awarded. Welcome back. We're told 64 of the 100 holidays were sold to families. So that means that we've got 64 going in here. So we've used that bit of information. And then we're told the rest of the holidays were sold to couples. So we need to find the difference between the 164 to find out how many couples were buying the holidays. So 100 take away 64 will leave us with 36. So we've used this bit of information. Finally, we're told that 11 of the 18 holidays abroad were sold to couples. So we know that the abroad holidays sold to couples, so that's this part down here, is 11. And we know the total of the abroad holidays is 18. So we know that the holidays that were sold to families was 7. So that uses that bit of information. We can now find these gaps here because we know that these two numbers here must add up to the 64. And so 57 add 7 will give us 64. So 57 of the holidays sold to families were in the UK. And again, for this gap here, we know that these two numbers will add up to the holidays sold to the couples, which is 36. So we know the number here must be 25, because 25 add 11 adds to make 36. In part B, we're told that one of the holidays sold to a family is chosen at random. So we're looking at the holidays sold to a family, and that was 64 holidays were sold to families. And we want to find the probability that this holiday was not abroad. So if it was not abroad, then we're looking at the holidays in the UK. So the probability that this holiday was not abroad is 57 out of the 64 holidays that were sold to families. This is a 5-mark question. Part A is worth 3 marks. If you get all of these numbers in the correct place, you will be awarded 3 marks. Otherwise, if you manage to place at least one figure in the correct place, you will get 1 mark. So 1 mark for at least one correct. And there are 2 marks if you get at least 4 correct. Otherwise, it's full 3 marks for all correct. Part B is worth 2 marks. If you get the answer of 57 over 64, you will be awarded the full 2 marks. Otherwise, if your answer is a fraction with 64 as the denominator, and the number above it is less than 64, that will be worth 1 mark. So you're getting 1 mark for the 64. This 1 mark is also available if your fraction has 57 on the top and the number below it is more than 57. So long as you're getting one of these numbers right, you may be getting 1 mark. And to get both marks, you need both numbers correct. I hope you found that helpful.